Hi, and thank you for choosing our True Plus earbud model. It's equipped with dual microphones, an adjustable head, a secure fit, and 35 hours of playtime. In the box, you'll find a charging case, earbuds, a charging cable, and sport wings. Please make a habit of always holding the earbud stem when adjusting the earbuds in your ears. This way, you avoid touching the sensitive touch area, which control different functions. To get started, make sure the earbuds are fully charged. Do this by charging the charging case with the earbuds in until the 4 lights on the case are lit. The earbuds will automatically power on and pair with each other when you remove them from the charging case.
Earbuds paired.
When blue and red lights on either earbud flashes alternately, the earbuds are ready to pair with your device. Turn on the Bluetooth function on your device and select Defunk True Plus in the list to pair the earbuds with the device.
Device paired.
Because of interference with other Bluetooth devices, the earbuds can get disconnected from each other. If you experience this problem, place the earbuds in the charging case and close the cap. Wait a few seconds, then open the cap and start using the earbuds again. There are 2 ways to turn the earbuds on. Remove them from the charging case. Or, if they are switched off due to inactivity, press and hold the touch area on both earbuds for 3 seconds. To play or pause music, double-click the touch area of any earbud. To skip a track, press the right earbud for 2 seconds. To go back and listen to the previous track, press the left earbud for 2 seconds. To turn the volume up, click once on the right earbud. To lower the volume, click the left one. Wait 1 second between each click if you wish to adjust it more. To answer or end a phone call, double-click either the left or the right earbud. If you want to reject the call, press either one for 2 seconds. To activate the voice assistant on your phone, triple-click on either earbud. Triple-click on the left earbud again to end it. There are 3 ways to turn the earbuds off. Put the earbuds back in the charging case and close the cap. Press the touch area for 5 seconds, or simply leave them for 5 minutes and they will turn off by themselves. Thank you and enjoy.